Naye lehlanyisa abantu kakhulu bafethu. This is the one that's got people talking. People are mad. People are angry. People are swearing. Yeah, this one was a big, big, big talking point. Big controversy. For me, now bafethu Makaula had a brilliant season, but no, 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 no. Robbery, 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 all eyes on me. No, no, but on copyright abafethu. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This one, it's a no, 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 no. Makaula did not deserve this award. No, no, no. The two Sundowns players who were supposed to get these awards, Mokoena, Alande. That's it. Period. Period. I'm out. Pixano, Pixanai.